Leaks on commercial low-slope systems can be very hard to identify at times. Hi, I'm John with Equity Builders Roofing, and we're out looking at a leak on a membrane roof system. The challenges are where the location of leak is up top may not directly reflect where the leak is coming in on the building. In this particular example, we've got a structured steel deck, and it's a W deck that runs north and south, but the slope of this roof deck runs east to west. So the main part of the water is moving downwards towards a drain. Once it finds an entry point, it's going to move down the W deck to find an exit point to actually leak into the building. This means that the point of entry on the roof surface could be 8 to 10 feet away of the actual leak area inside the building. It's why when identifying, diagnosing leaks on commercial systems, it's important to take some time to really identify how the system's built and what it's comprised of before pinpointing exactly where that leak comes in. In this case, we provided a temporary solution to kind of catch that leak until a permanent solution can be applied once the rain has stopped. If you own a commercial building, a low slope system, a metal structure, anything that has a different roof surface outside of shingles and you're having issues, we want to set up a complimentary inspection for you. To do that, you can call, text, or visit our website at equitybuildersroofing.com.